complete Textile ERP. In the next is this is the dashboard. Also this is the product, warehouse, supplier, customer, fabric sourcing. You can edit then master, yarn master, fabric master, warm waves and registry, machine registry, and boom, spinning order, weaving order, then sales registry, then sales order. Also here is the sales order come that you can put in. Invoice, here you can create the invoice. Purchase order, accounting ledger. So here everything you can add account, code, name and asset, then the parent. So also bank account you can add. Employee list, you can add employee from here. HR role, permanent, monthly, everything you can search it here. And quality control, QC control. So there is an inspection, different role and different name. Also come the compliance and ESC. So here is all compliance implemented. ESIC, CSRD, CSDDD, LKSG and UFFLA. So US Forced Labor, everything is here. So this is system user, also input system user. Role are big. So audit log, here is the audit log, security audit logs. So everything in the IP address. Then the report, here you can getting report last 30 day, and system is the system setting. So security notification appliance, and also you can change it. So this is the completely textile ERP. So you can handle it and you can manage it. Also you can control it, updating based on your requirement. So this is the open source platform, so you can update it and you can use it like a based on our company requirement. You can update your data and then you can use it. So best of luck.